Hello, my cruising and travel fans. It's Rob here from Cruising on the High Seas and Travel. In today's video, we will be talking about laundry services while you're on board your cruise ship. We're going to find out and ask if you do your own laundry on board, if it is available, or do you get the cruise line to do it for you. But we will talk all about that right after my intros, which is about to happen right about now. And thank you for staying through the intro. Once again, this is Rob here from Cruising on the High Seas and Travel. Like I mentioned in the introduction, today we are talking all about laundry services. If you do it yourself on board, if it's available, or do you ask the cruise line to do it? Many cruise lines do offer it for you to do it yourself. But in my aspects, the way I look at it is, why would you want to do your own laundry? Besides, it probably will save you some money. But why would you want to do your own laundry when you're on vacation? Sit back, relax, have a pina colada, a nice cold brewski beer, whatever your desire is. And let the cruise line take care of it for you if you really badly need it done. But the downside to that factor is, yes, it can get pretty hefty, expensive for the cruise line to do it, unless they have it in their loyalty program and you have cruised with them enough where you may get 50% off, one complimentary free bag. I don't believe I have heard of unlimited yet, free bags, but correct me if I'm wrong in that comment section down below if there is one, and what line and what level tier do you need to have. But I believe the highest amount I've heard is 2 free bags, but it takes a lot of cruising just to get those free bags. But for me, I have yet to do it. I'm just waiting till I get up to the tier where I can actually get a free bag, and then I'll give it a roll and we'll do a review on it when that time does come. But it won't be for a good while, so when it does happen, I will be more than glad to be sharing this all off with all of you. But let us all know what you guys all like to do when you guys are on a cruise. Do you like to do it yourself, get the cruise line to do it for you, or just take care of it when you get back home? Let's all know that in that comment section down below. And let's not forget, while you're down there, make sure you make sure you're still subscribed, and if not, subscribe so we can grow this channel to a amazing number as we're on the strive to hit 1,000 by July 1st of 2024. And make sure that bell is rung with set to all, so you get all these amazing videos from me as soon as I publish them, and even when I plan to go live here on YouTube. But I'm gonna wrap up this quick video here for all of you here today. So until next time, I will see you all on the high seas and wherever travels may take us. Until then, bye for now.